Hello everyone, welcome to Doyan Screen Printing Equipment Co. Ltd. Do you know how to create a cracked print with a strong sense of design? Today, we will unveil the core technology and equipment of this process for you. It was independently developed by our Doyan Silk Screen Printing Company. 18. Color 60 Workstation Intelligent Elliptical Machine created. The fully servo-independent drive system achieves a registration accuracy of 0.01mm level. Military-grade silent guide rail ensures stable operation for 20,000 hours. The core production steps include 1. Using 309B crack prime cement to scrape as render, twice for 1 time, total 2 times. 2. Using shade 09 a crack white to scrape, twice for 1 time, total 3 times. 3. Using shade LOC crack color to scrape, twice, for 1 time, total 3 times. The key to achieving high-quality crack printing, it lies in precisely controlling the thickness of the slurry and the drying rhythm. Our 18-color 60-station elliptical printing machine, with intelligent control system and efficient production capacity, balancing artistic effect and production efficiency. Obtain exclusive process solutions. Please call 0311862737 or visit https://doyan.and.alibaba.com/. Empower your product with a professional team.